Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you something really useful in Blender. Did you know that modeling a tree in Blender has actually become much easier than before? Yes, seriously. What used to take a lot of time can now be done in just a few steps, all thanks to a built-in Blender feature. Let's start from the beginning. First, go to the Add menu at the top. From there, choose Curve, and then select Sapling Tree Generator. As soon as you click it, you'll notice that a basic tree model appears in your scene. Now, this tree is just the default version. It probably doesn't match the style you want yet. The branches may look simple, and there are no leaves at all. But don't worry, we're going to customize everything. Look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see the operator panel with the tree settings. Click there to expand the options. Here you'll find many controls that let you shape the tree exactly how you want. First, let's choose the type of tree. You'll see several presets available, like small maple, Japanese maple, and others. For this example, I'm going to choose small pine because it gives a nice natural shape. Once you select it, you'll see the tree update instantly. Now let's refine the structure a bit more. Scroll through the settings and explore the branch options. Here, you can adjust the branch radius, change the geometry, and even control how many branches grow from the trunk. Feel free to experiment here. Small changes can make a big difference in how your tree looks. Alright, now the tree structure looks better, but it still needs leaves. So, let's add them. Open the Leaves section in the panel. Enable the option called Show Leaves. As soon as you turn it on, leaves will appear on the branches. If you want the tree to look fuller, you can increase the leaf count here until you're happy with the result. And that's it. Your tree is ready. As you can see, creating trees in Blender is now quick, flexible, and beginner-friendly. Pretty easy, right? Thanks a lot for watching this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Blender tutorials and tips. I'll see you in the next video.